Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here, and I've got to share something with you on this beautiful Pensacola day. Sun shines out, and we're loving it here. But tell me if you see anything wrong with this picture. Not sure if you can see that. Right about there. You see that outdoor light that's on? The sensor is out of it, and it's up about 40 feet. I'm going to share with you how to fix that without having to climb 1 foot onto a ladder. Hey guys and gals, it's Mr. Know-It-All here with videos that make you smarter for everyone that you watch. Today we are talking about the light that did not go out. These little switches right here are awesome, and they're so easy to hook up. You can put them on anything. Julio, tell everybody where they're all located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez Clint Eastwood. He loves that name, and that's what he's getting. Right there, installed. Now, if I wanted to put another outlet in there, which I don't, I would change the location of it. But right now, it's perfect, and they're so simple to hook up. And by the way, our prayers go out to everybody in the peninsula of Florida after Hurricane Ian. We are doing everything we can do to help on this end. You take this soft, fuzzy little microfiber. Now these come with seals, so you can seal them inside the case. You can put them anywhere, any light you have. Now watch this. I'm going to cover it up, and then we'll go up to the light. You can see the light is out right now. So we'll cover it up. And it comes on, and now I'm going to take it off. And it takes about 7 or 8 seconds to turn off. There you go. Again, these will go anywhere. You want something to turn on at night and turn off during the day. They're very easy to hook up. The red wire is the wire that will go to the black wire coming out of your light. So any fixture, light fixture, or whatever it is you want to turn on, this goes to the black. And then you just hook up. The instructions are really easy and very simple. Black to black, white to white, and it's good to go. All right, here's your quick tip. If you have a lawn you care about, you need one of these right here. Put about 4 to 6 cement blocks on it. It goes down the exact depth. It's an aerator. It works great. We've used this for a long time, and it has made a huge difference in our lawn, in the front lawn especially, where we really care for it to look good. And you just run this across there, hook it to your tractor, and it will aerate to the exact depth that you need. Run it over the lawn in the spring, run it over the lawn in the fall. Your seed, if you overseed at that time, or if you use fertilizer, it gets down to the roots. It lets your grass really grow well. That's your quick tip for today. Mr. Know-It-All, out.